In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Jira. Easy guide. If your team uses both ClickUp and Jira, connecting them can dramatically simplify how you plan, track, and deliver work. By integrating these two platforms, you reduce manual updates, cut down on context switching, and create a more unified view of your projects. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps inside ClickUp to get Jira connected, and I'll share helpful context so the process feels easy and predictable from start to finish. First, make sure you're logged into the correct ClickUp account and the correct workspace. This is important because integrations attach to a specific workspace, and you want all settings, imports, and connections to land in the right place. If you have access to multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the one where your team actually collaborates day to day. It also helps to have the necessary permissions in both tools. In ClickUp, you typically need to be an admin or have permission to manage apps. And in Jira, you may need admin access, depending on your organization's policies. With that confirmed, look to the left-hand sidebar in ClickUp. This is where you'll find quick access to the key areas of your workspace. Locate the option labeled More. When you open it, you'll see additional options expand. From there, choose Apps. Apps is where ClickUp groups its integrations and connections to other platforms. You'll now be in the Apps section, which includes a searchable list of available integrations. At the top, use the search bar and type Jira. You should see Jira appear in the results, typically represented by the familiar J icon. Click Jira to open the integration details. Here, ClickUp will walk you through the connection flow. The exact screens can vary a bit depending on your organization's setup, but expect to be prompted to sign into Jira or approve access. If your company uses single sign-on, you'll follow that route. Otherwise, you'll enter your Jira credentials. Approving access authorizes ClickUp to communicate securely with Jira, so the two can keep data in sync. This is a one-time setup, and you can always come back to manage or disconnect the integration later if needed. If you've previously connected a Jira account, you'll see that status right away. In that case, you may simply need to confirm or update the connection. If this is your first time, follow the on-screen steps until you see that the connection is established. Once connected, you'll notice an option labeled Import into ClickUp. Go ahead and click Import into ClickUp if you want to bring Jira items into ClickUp immediately as part of your integration workflow. This is helpful when you're consolidating work or want a single source of truth visible to your ClickUp users. However, if you're not ready to import yet, just being connected is enough to enable the core integration capabilities between the two tools. You can return to the Apps section later and run an import when it suits your process. After you've completed the connection, click back to return to the Apps list or your workspace. That's all there is to it. The integration is now in place. With the connection established, your team can benefit in a few important ways right away. You'll reduce